peace, love, and always, always Volkswagen grease. Hey, Ranger Doggy. Hey, Boo Boos. Should we go to work? Yeah. Happy? A super duper happy Tuesday. Hope all is well, swell, and totally hip and groovy. Totally hip and groovy in your neck of the woods. Just got done doing my kind coffee talk from the old VW bus. Literally just got done going from one vlog to the next on this Tuesday, 2 for Tuesday vlog. So yeah, this is my makeshift grassroots vlogging style tripod, or whatever the case may be. So that's the morning dealio. Without further ado, Mr. Ranger Dog. Hey, Mr. Ranger Dog. Without further ado, should we get this most excellent groovy day started? Yeah. Alright, coffee machine's off. The heater's off. Alrighty, I got Ranger in the car. Let's go to work. See you this evening, old VW. A little bit of freezing rain taking place. What you think, Mr. Ranger Dog? He's staying cozy warm in here though, huh? He's staying cozy warm. Yes, him is. Did Mr. Boo Boo just eat some lunch? Did Mr. Boo Boo just eat some lunch? Yes, he did. Yes, him did. Alright, Daddy's gonna go and eat some lunch real quick, and then we'll come back and go for ranger walks. Get in there. Oh, it's warm in here, huh, Boo Boo? It's warm in here. I'll see you in a little bit. Hey, Mr. Ranger. Alright. Just got off work. I just actually dropped Brother James off, and now Mr. Ranger Dog and I are on our way back to the old VW bus, taking our time because it's super duper super slick out here. So I'll see you beautiful people when I get there. Alrighty, friends, Mr. Ranger Dog and I made it back safe and sound. Back at the VW bus. I was a little on the worried side because everything was completely frozen solid. I had to go over to Kevin's house and borrow his wife's hair dryer to get my lock unfrozen so I can get in the old VW bus. So we've had dinner. Now we're just doing some relaxation and hanging out. So until tomorrow, when Mr. Ranger Dog and I see you for some kind coffee talk, love one another, be kind to one another, be grateful for every single moment of the day, because you just never know. You never know when those moments will change, huh, Mr. Boo Boo? Peace, love, and Volkswagen grease.